Hello YouTube. I decided to make a video about my copper wire stripper. Ordered online, cost $200. Come pretty fast. It's part of Walmart. I got kind of a mixed review about it because it didn't come brand new, which I thought it would be, but it came used, refurbished, or whatever you want to call it, because it was already assembled. First of all, this little bracket is not supposed to be, supposed to put it on yourself. They send you little stuff. It comes with it. With the gloves or whatnot. Little tool and a little bracket. That's supposed to be, but it was already on there. But the bittersweet part about it is the way they put it on there is perfect. That's the way it's supposed to be set. I wouldn't have thought to put it that way. But the way they got it set is right. So I'm gonna strip some wire. This is for beginners like me who just started doing it. This is not for experts who know much but know. They don't strip wires, they don't do this, they don't do that. I strip wires. Yes, I do. And I've done it by hand with a knife and a razor blade, so I can appreciate what this thing does. It's worth it. It'll make me $200, I know that. So I'm going to strip some wires for you so you can see how it goes. Just set it right here. Get some wires up for you, as a matter of fact. I got some wires right here. A little bucket of wires, for example. Got some thicker gauges. You gotta open up the little blade at the top, and the blade will adjust for thicker wires. But I got this size right here. I'm gonna run a couple through there for you so you can see how it goes. Cut it on. And it does the work. Set it off in there. Since I've been playing with it, there's a such thing as a good cut and a bad cut. And I can tell you, looking at it, when it cuts, and it cuts so you can see the copper like that, that's a bad cut. You don't want to be able to see it. And I'll tell you why in a minute. But when it cuts to where you can just see an imprint of the blade, show you this is what you want to see. That's a good cut. You can just see where the blade ran down the wire at. This is a good cut on this wire too. You just see where the line went down, the blade went down there. This is a bad cut. And you can see the copper. And this is what's going to happen. Cut a little end off. Get it going. So you can just pull it out. See how it's frizzing up? That's no good. I mean, it's okay, but it's not the ultimate, the ideal of what you want to try to do. It's going to come out like that. Now, this is a good cut. This is how it's supposed to come out, like this. Cut the end off, get it going. Come out just like that. That's good. Just like that. Find that blade mark. Cut off a little end. Get it going. And you just pull it out. Just like that. Nice. Sweet. That's how you want it to come out. That's a good cut. Add that to the pile. Like that. Add that to the pile. This. Okay. So. Bad cut. So I stand right over the bucket and take it out. You get it in your essence and drop it. But that's usually what I do. I do all wires, all, you know, if they're extremely small, little spaghetti, okay, the spaghetti wire. But for the most part, I get that copper out of there. Get that copper, guys. That's where it's at. Get the copper, get the copper. I get a lot of it. I don't get a lot of it, but I don't discriminate. I take all the copper. Wire form, yoke, however I can get it. I'm gonna get that copper out of there. This machine, take care of all these cords. I got an extension cord I'm gonna do. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, just come out of an extension cord. Put the plug on one end. But all these wires, it's an extension cord. It's beautiful. Hundreds of feet of this just wrapped around an extension cord. I'm gonna get it out of there. Some people say it's not worth their time. They're not gonna do it. Okay. CJ will. I'll do it. Got some stuff from my cousin's house. Got some wires he gave me. I'll go through here and take the copper out. If you want, I'll make more videos doing more wires, all the wires, any kind of wire. You know what telephone wire is, you know what Cat 5 is. You know you don't strip that, but you know, for the most part, all wires got copper in them to me. And I'm stripping them. If it's not, if it's something bogus in the middle, some painted or aluminum foil, okay, all right. Put it in the aluminum pile or whatever. Okay, that's fine. I'll take it. Whatever's in the middle, give it to me. I'll take it, especially copper. But I think it's worth it. I think it'll get me $200 back. Yeah, it's a good machine. It's worth it. Thanks for watching.